using Reddit to find problems. This is one of my favorite ways to do this. Redditlist.com is where you can go to. That's redditlist.com. And you can segment these by only safe for work, SFW subreddits, or you can go not safe for work, although I will warn you, you'll find some weird stuff there. But in this particular case, searching just safe for work Reddit lists, I typed in the word wait. And this goes from top to bottom, not in relevancy, but total subscribers and all kinds of other factors. Whatever. But in this particular case, scrolling down there, I clicked on a subreddit called Body Weight Fitness. And this is what a subreddit looks like. And I could scroll down some of these recent posts in this subreddit, and I might find something that triggers me off into a broad problem, like this one, how to train and strengthen external abdominal muscles. Maybe that's a specific problem that I can even get kind of more specific on, potentially, and come up with a hook around that for my solution, for my 111 type of product. And I can even read the comments to get further inspiration. Now, here's what's really important. Every really good subreddit, at least the more popular ones, also have a sidebar that contains all kinds of incredible stuff, such as FAQs, which you can utilize to help you with broad problems and then get more specific. They have info on top of that. Sometimes they have guides, and sometimes they have related subreddits, so you can get deeper and deeper and deeper. So this is what a frequently asked question looks like. On the left, you can see how very deep they get into one topic, and then on the right there, routine questions. What routine should I do? I can't do the recommended routine because I have nowhere to do pull-ups. I can't do the recommended routine because I have nowhere to do rows, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. They get very, very deep into this. And so there's a massive amount of user-generated and curated content that's been organized over time. It just lacks the final touch of really drilling it down to something specific and focused that somebody can get excited about with a one solution-minded carve up the market and go after that individual. And now you can be the person who does that and provides that value.